Geometry: triangle ABC and triangle AED are similar triangles such that the perimeters of triangle ABC and triangle AED is in the ratio of 8:4. If AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, AC is equal to 25 cm, then find the perimeter of quadrilateral BCDE. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 24 plus 7 plus 25 is equal to 56 is the given data. Quadrilateral triangle is as shown in the diagram. AB divided by AE is equal to BC divided by ED is equal to AC divided by AD. Given data, ratio is equal to 4 divided by 8. AE is equal to 4 divided by 8 into AB. 4 divided by 8 into 24 is equal to 96 divided by 8 centimeter. ED is equal to 4 divided by 8 into BC. 4 divided by 8 into 7. 28 divided by 8 centimeter. AD is equal to 4 divided by 8 into AC is equal to 4 divided by 8 into 25. 100 divided by 8 centimeter. EB is equal to AB minus AE. 24 minus 96 divided by 8. 192 minus 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12 centimeter. DC is equal to AC minus AD is equal to 25 minus 100 divided by 8 is equal to 200 minus 100 divided by 8. DC is equal to 100 divided by 8. Perimeter of quadrilateral PCDE is equal to BC plus CD plus DE plus EB. 7 plus 100 divided by 8 plus 28 divided by 8 plus 12. 19 plus 128 divided by 8 is equal to 19 plus 16. BCDE is equal to 35 centimeter. Perimeter of quadrilateral is equal to 35 centimeter.